Hello, Year 1. It's Mrs. Probst. I hope you had a good Easter break. This is your first library lesson for Term 2. Before each lesson, we are going to read the library procedures to remind us about the types of books you should be reading and how to choose the right book for you. Junior fiction books are imaginative texts. That means they are make-believe stories. Junior fiction books are easy to read and easy to understand. Junior fiction books are for everyone at Girraween Public School. This means that some books are harder to read than others. Use the 5-finger test to help you choose a book to read. This is the 5-finger test. Open the book and read any page. If you come to a word you don't know, put down one finger on your left hand. If you put all 5 fingers down before the end of the page, the book might be a bit too hard for you at the moment. Put the book back for now and try another one. Remember, reading imaginative texts should be fun. So choose a book that you will enjoy reading. In Year 1, in Term 2, our topic is seasons. Look at each season carefully for clues showing what happens to the living things during each season. In spring, flowers blossom in gardens, fields and trees. The days start to get warmer. In summer, the days and nights are hot. Water starts to dry up in lakes and rivers, and the grass starts to get dry. You can see that's happening right there. Bushfires like the ones we had this summer happen when everything gets too dry. In autumn, the days are still warm, but the nights get cooler. The leaves on deciduous trees change from green to orange to brown and fall. In winter, it becomes very cold. Snow falls in some places and the deciduous trees have lost all their leaves. Our learning intention is to understand how seasonal changes in our daily lives affect living things. That means how the changing weather changes what we do, what we wear, and how plants and animals grow. The success criteria is I can identify and order the seasons. That means that you can name and put the seasons in the correct order that they happen. I can list facts about each season. That means you can tell me different information that you know about each season. And I can draw and tell why a season is my favourite. There are 4 seasons in each year. The seasons always follow the same pattern. Mrs. Probst has put up 4 pictures of the different seasons, but I have not put them in the right order. Tell me what you already know by completing the worksheet called Seasons on the next page. This is the worksheet that you need to complete called Seasons. There will be a copy of this worksheet attached to Seesaw at the end of this presentation. Now, let's see what you need to do. The first question is, start with autumn and put the rest of the seasons in the correct order. So I've written autumn on the first line, Then you need to write the next season that follows autumn there, and the season that follows that here, and then the season that follows that season here. Question 2. Make a list of at least 3 things you know about each season. In the columns below are the headings summer, winter, autumn and spring. So underneath here, I want you to write what you know about each season. Now it says make a list. A list is just 1 or 2 words, not a sentence about each season. So for summer, I might just write hot. For winter, I might write snowy. In autumn, I might write warm days. For spring, I could write flowers bloom. That would be an example of one thing that I could write under each one of those headings. Now, you can list more than 3 things if you are feeling clever. This is not a research, this is Mrs. Probst trying to find out what you already know about each one of the seasons. And number 3, name your favourite season. Draw a picture of it and tell why you like it so much. So if I was going to do this question, I would then say my favourite season is autumn because I enjoy walking my dog on the warm, sunny days. I will draw a picture of me walking my dog in the park. You have to name your favourite season and draw a picture and tell why you like that season so much. Now, if you can't print off this worksheet, you can write your answers on a piece of paper. Then either upload your worksheet to Seesaw or take a photo of it and upload it to Seesaw when you have finished so that Mrs. Probst can see your answers. The pattern of the seasons is spring, summer, autumn and winter. Then it repeats all over again. Control-click on the blue link below to play a game that has you match a scene with the correct season label. It plays on Internet Explorer. I wasn't able to play it on Google Chrome. If you have another internet browser like Firefox, give it a go. Hopefully you'll have fun playing this game. That's the end of your first library lesson on seasons. I hope you enjoyed it.